instead. Hello you guys, welcome back to another vlog slash hangout with me and Will. How are you guys? How are you doing? I'm so glad you're here. My name's Annabelle. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. And we're doing lots of videos over here, so I want to kind of tell you what we've been going on, what's been going on today. So I and Will came down to Santa Barbara, California. He had some work meetings he needed to do like all day today. So we're like, let's make a weekend of it. And I'm so excited because we're staying in the cutest hotel. It's the Santa Barbara Hotel. And we checked in late this afternoon. Will was finishing work. And when I came to the room, I have to show you guys. Literally, look how cute. They left us a bottle of Prosecco Rosé. We haven't dipped into it, but I think we will in a second. A little card, glasses, just so adorable. The room is so cute and cozy. We've been cuddling up in bed. We actually planned on going out tonight, but after our traveling in New York, working, Will had meetings with people all day today, which were good, but just, you know, high energy. Both were feeling really tired and almost like a little under the weather, but I don't think we're actually sick. Obviously, we'll let you know tomorrow. That will be a turn of events, and we both wake up really ill. I feel a lot better. I took a shower, had some tea, ate some food. We're just kind of lay low tonight because we want to enjoy the rest of our time. So while Will was working today, I got a pedicure, as you guys saw. I then went to like Starbucks and I went thrifting. And I wanted to show you a few things I got from the thrift store today. I got mostly workout clothes actually, which I love because I work out a lot, and if I can buy them secondhand, why not? Look how cute this little blue, like baby blue top is that I got. Love that. Then I got these biker shorts. So cute. They're like a burnt orangey red color. And then as it comes into summer, like wearing long leggings is just getting way too hot. And then I got this really cute like sports bra. I love the details. I got this little t-shirt from the men's section, but it's in a small, again, it's in like a bluey gray color. It's super soft just because I don't really have any t-shirts. And then I got this top. It's like pink and silk, and it's like a halter top that ties in the back, so you wear it like up like that. So cute. And then I got one other thing. Let me go get it. I got these pajama pants that are like baby pink. The lighting is a little bit off in here. Let me see. They're like baby pink check. They're adorable. And let me show you the very bottom of them. They have like a little ruffle in the bottom. They're just so cute. And I had got this tank top yesterday from Walmart. I love Walmart. And I was like, I want to wear this as a tank top to sleep in or like get ready in. So you can see it has pink dots and cats on it. I'm a cat lady. And I was like, these would be so cute together. So I'm going to wear these for pajamas tonight actually. Look how freaking cute. The pajama pants are nice and loose, but they're just adorable. And then the tank top's so cute with this little kitty cats on it. Just adorable. Love. It fits great. Cute. Okay, we just popped a bottle. Cheers. What do you think of the Prosecco Rosé?
Yeah, it's really nice. Thank you very much.
Yes, thank you, Hotel Santa Barbara. All right, we're just gonna have a cozy night, and we'll check in with you hopefully in the morning. Good morning. I'll update you on life, but let's make some coffee. Okay, so the coffee is brewing. Good morning. Good news.
Good morning.
We're not sick. I mean, I felt fine pretty much by the end of last night. Will literally fell asleep at like 8 p.m. and slept till like 7 a.m. So he got like 11 hours of sleep.
I felt
so basically just exhausted from traveling, work, and the rain always gives me like a headache and like pressure and all this stuff. So we're good. So we're gonna have a great day today. Will's having a protein shake. It's another little cozy rainy day in Santa Barbara, but we're literally, this hotel is so cute because it's like where all these like restaurants are and stuff, and we can walk around. So I think we're gonna just do some coffee. I'm gonna get ready with you guys, and then at some point we're gonna do like breakfast, winery, dinner. We're gonna just explore today, maybe drive around in our car. We rented a convertible Mustang for the weekend just to drive up here. which is just honestly hilarious because it's been raining the whole time.
So
but
we've been getting really wet when
but
we drive.
no, yeah, because it's convertible only. No, I'm just kidding.
Could you imagine?
I know, but tomorrow's supposed to be nicer weather, so we'll definitely drive with the top down tomorrow for some of it, and maybe today if it's not raining, and like we get some cool pictures and show you it and stuff. But yeah, so I'm gonna make my coffee and we're gonna get our day started.
Drink of choice.
Okay, I made myself a second coffee and let's do our makeup. I want to know if you guys are wine drinkers, and if so, what is your favorite wine? I feel like wine is really hit or miss for people, but I'm always trying to discover new wines because I do love wine. I'm a champagne person, but I love a New Zealand white wine, salty, crisp wines, if that's the right words. What's the good news?
So, part of staying at this hotel is that you get random perks at random restaurants. Perk number one, as a valued guest of ours, please enjoy a complimentary glass of sparkling wine from The Lark, which is the restaurant we're going to tonight.
At any time of day?
When you buy a meal.
Oh,
But
great.
we're going to have dinner, so we get a complimentary glass of sparkling wine.
Like wasn't going well there, but it actually turned out okay. I was trying to do lighter makeup, so like no foundation, no primer, but yeah, it worked out. It's just primer works so well, but it definitely breaks me out. It always has, always will. For hair, I want to do a ponytail, and I'm using my BFB clip-in hair extension. I can have it linked down below. I colored it myself, but the hair itself is amazing, and it has clips, but it's just so much hair, so I think I want to do a ponytail, which I love. And what I do is I end up, Will's whistling in the background, clipping it like upside down so that I can have a ponytail. So let's just get into it and see how this goes. Okay, JK, that wasn't working, so I'm gonna take the Hair Shop hair clip-ins and do these for ponytail. That halo is amazing, but it was just feeling too heavy today, and I was like, I think it might give me a headache today, and I don't want to be getting a headache, sir. But I'm gonna apply some clips upside down and then maybe a few backwards as well. We are finally leaving. I'll give you guys an OTD in a minute.
I'm so hungry.
We're gonna go get breakfast. We're gonna take some pictures downstairs in the lobby because I think it's really cute, and then we're gonna get breakfast. So cute here. The paintings are like literally my vibe. Are you kidding me? I'm obsessed. And there's a fruit painting over there that's so beautiful. Let me see if I can zoom, like, 'cause people are over there, so I'm not trying to. Oh, love. Okay, we're gonna take some pics. We'll start things.
Here we are.
Yes, we're finally outside. So pretty. We'll have an outfit change because actually we're warmer than we anticipated, which is so warmer. Nice. Look how cute his little shirt is. Little details. We're getting our car right now. We're actually driving to breakfast because it's down by the water. So we figure we might as well.
Further than we thought.
And we figure we might as well like use the car since we rented it. So I think we're gonna do top down as well. Woo! This is so cool. Okay, this is a cute little town behind us. Love. Will I feel scared? Driving that convertible was one of the funnest experiences I've had in a long time. I'm like, wait, do I need a convertible living in California? You know, can't afford one, but we are starving though. Some freshly squeezed OJ. Let's try her out. That's so good. A Norwegian smoked salmon, eggs Benedict. Look how good that was. How is that?
Really good.
Oh, it is warm.
Yeah.
Almost good. We are on our way to wine tasting, 2 for 1 because of the hotel and some deals and partnerships they have.
You get like coupons for staying there.
So we're gonna go do that. We're really excited. And yeah, we'll show you what we get.
What's the verdict?
It's good. I like it.
It's nice.
I think that's what I've been looking for.
Really?
Yeah. Delicioso. We made it to La Leaf and it's so cute. We're literally sitting on like a velvet green couch. And I think we're gonna do a mixed wine flight tasting, but maybe a rosé too, because if you can see, that whole wall is like rosés over there. So I think they may sort of be known for their rosé.
It's nice.
That rosé's good. At the Hotel Santa Barbara, they have like a few different deals that they do with like local places. So we're at, what is this place called?
Lucky Penny.
So this is Lucky Penny, and we got a 2 for 1 frosé, which are very popular. Probably a little bit more popular in the summer, I do have to say, but we are sitting under a heater. So we're gonna be all good. And then we also got a pizza. So we're just enjoying
Gluten-free
that.
pizza.
A gluten-free pizza, and we're having a great time.
Hang on, cheers.
Shout out to the Hotel Santa Barbara for hooking us up.
Yeah.
These are really good. Have you tried it yet?
No, I haven't. Is it good?
Try it, yeah.
Okay, go.
What do you think?
Oh yeah, it's really good.
It's good.
Really
it's like a little strawberry lemonade-y, but it's rosé.
It's a good vibe.
I like it.
Yeah, well done.
Oh, so fresh, so clean. It's
Go on,
gluten-free, just margarita, but it smells really good because of the basil. And actually, I'm impressed.
That's the burrata
I'm
mozzarella.
impressed by the amount of like the toppings are big, which I appreciate. It's not skimpy, you know.
Amen.
We'll need some new pants or joggers, so we might see if we can find any at Urban Outfitters. But yeah, that's all. And then we're gonna go back to the hotel room to chill for a little bit before dinner. So yeah.
I think they're a little bit skinny.
Back to the hotel.
It says activates reach to operate.
Oh well. Get some tea and coffee. Hello, we have been back home for a little bit. I showered and washed my hair because it was just needed to be washed, and I put in my clip-in extensions that I colored in a recent video, and these are the BFB hair halo extensions, and I'm just curling my hair using the beach waver. I'm loving the beach waver. It's just so fast and so easy. So yeah, I've been listening to Taylor Swift, and those are the vibes. But I'm gonna get dressed in a second once I'm done with my hair, and we are going to dinner with somewhere we like booked a while ago that was like recommended to us, so hopefully it's really good. And yeah, we moved it to 8:30 because reservation was for 8, and I was like, I'm so tired, like still at 7 p.m. So, and I know I needed to shower and everything, so we moved it to a little bit later. Yeah, apparently we could be sitting outside, which we saw when we moved our reservation. It was like, make sure you dress warm, and I was like, oh no! But we'll see how that goes. And yeah, we're having a great evening. Very chill over here. I don't think I ever showed you guys my outfit. I'm gonna put the video in of me putting my outfit together. I think I already did that. Dress from Amazon and was just the cutest dress ever, and I'm loving it. And I think it'll be really cute in the summer as like a beach cover up as well. So yeah. And then the dress I'm wearing tonight is also from Amazon. We love Amazon. I bought it a while ago. I didn't know if I'd wear this dress to the one I'm gonna wear tonight. I didn't know if I was gonna want to wear it to my birthday party, but I ended up wearing that super sparkly dress. If you've been around, you know. This texture spray is on Amazon. It's great and it smells so good. I kept it like really simple in my makeup, like literally barely put any on, because I was like, the hair is gonna be the showstopper, you know? So this is tonight's dress. This little one shoulder dress that then has feathers on the bottom. I don't know if you guys can even tell, and then it kind of like goes up and a little slit, and there's little feathers, and the back has these straps. There's a really cute little black dress. We're gonna head to dinner.
When you pause it, I'll pee.
Will's about to pee, so we're gonna go. Good morning.
Morning.
Will's just eating leftovers from last night from our amazing dinner that we had.
That's where to go.
Oh, it was such a good dinner. Literally, it was just high quality, good vibes, beautiful. The Lark, if you're ever in Santa Barbara, definitely go. It was like from farm to table vibes, so just delicious. We got Brussels sprouts, some steak, fried chicken. Ordered too much, but it was so good. We like have some leftovers, so Will's eating some right now. But we slept in today. I was like so tired. I actually woke up for a little bit and then I was like, I think I might be able to go back to bed. So I did. The lobby does coffee downstairs. I think as you saw yesterday, and like tea and stuff. And they have like oat milk and like caramel syrup. Really, really nice. So got some coffee. But we have to check out in like 30 minutes. So I'm going to get dressed, throw in maybe some hair extensions, and do like basically a no makeup look because I think today's gonna be like very cozy, chill vibes. We're gonna get clam chowder, I think, and these sourdough bowls that were recommended to us.
Shout out to our friend Steve for the wreck.
Yeah, drive around. We'll see. I think we'll be pretty chill because we'll head back later this afternoon because Will actually leaves for a work trip tomorrow morning, so he has to prepare.
Busy weeks.
He has to prepare for that. So that's what's going on. So we'll keep you updated. But we've had the best weekend. We wanted it to just be like super restful and rejuvenating to us and a good time for us to like connect and everything. And Santa Barbara's been beautiful. It's a great place and I would love to come back when it isn't raining, but can't complain. We've had an amazing time. You know, and we always pack light, so.
Stays for 2 nights, needs a luggage car.
At least we're able to check out pretty much on time, so. All right, we just checked out in the car. It's not raining and it's kind of humid, so it doesn't feel as cold. Like it ends up feeling colder later in the day, so.
Yeah, it's humid, isn't it?
We are just rolling the top down for a second. Might need to go up, but we're gonna go on a little drive and then probably get some food. Have you enjoyed your Santa Barbara stay, babe?
I've loved my Santa Barbara stay, babe.
It's been the best, really. Ooh. It's a little marina or something down here. So yeah, it's quite vibey. Love it.
Oh, you want
Cheers! They are really good.
the energy.
Well, we are on our way home and stuck in major traffic. Let me see if I can even show you all the cars. But the ocean's right there. We had the top up. We were like driving back, making some progress, but we've like literally been in like standstill traffic. So we're like, well, we might as well get a bit of a tan. You might get a little sunburn on your face though.
Yeah, I might.
Anyway, so that's kind of annoying. It's because there was an accident, so hopefully everybody's okay. I don't think we've gotten to the heart of the accident yet, have we?
Well, we
I
haven't
don't really
passed
know.
anything. No, I don't think
I'm not
so.
sure. But anyways, that is the end of our Santa Barbara vlog. We're just hopefully gonna make it home soon in a reasonable amount of time. Drop off the car, and then Will has to get ready literally to leave tomorrow on a work trip. So that's what's going on. But we love you guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll see you in my next one. Make sure you subscribe and let me know down below what other videos you'd like to see. Peace and love. Peace out.